Okay folks, now let's have a look at the bike being ridden. You'll get a good idea of how it sounds and how it rides. Yeah, there you have it. Rides pretty well and really good leverage with those wide handlebars. Look, I think this is the ideal commuter. Kawasaki is such a reliable bike, and it's a bit of a do-all bike, apart from off-road riding. I hope the video gave you some benefit in terms of your research into the bike, and if it did, please click the like button just to help get it out there to others who might also be interested in the bike. And it'd really mean the world to me if you could help grow the channel by subscribing, really just to sort of grow and help others with their research into certain bikes. Having said that, signing off, everybody take care, ride safe, and we'll see you on the next video.